Carbon fiber or carbon fibers are fiber about 5 to 10 micrometers in diameter and composed mostly of carbon atoms. Carbon fibers have several advantages: high stiffness, high tensile strength, high strength to weight ratio, high chemical resistance, high temperature tolerance, and low thermal expansion. These properties have made carbon fiber very popular in aerospace, civil engineering, military motor sports, and other competition sports. However, they are relatively expensive compared to similar fiber such as glass fiber, basalt fibers, or plastic fibers. To produce a carbon fiber, the carbon atoms are bonded together in crystals that are more or less aligned parallel to the fiber's long axis. As the crystal alignment gives the fiber a high strength to volume ratio. In other words, it is a strong for its size. Several thousand carbon fiber are bundled together to form a tow which may be used by itself or woven into a fabric. Fibers are usually combined with other materials to form a composite. For example, when permeated with a plastic resin and baked, it forms carbon fiber reinforced polymer, often referred to as carbon fiber, which has a very high strength to weight ratio and is extremely rigid. Although somewhat brittle, carbon fibers are also composited with other materials such as graphite to form reinforced carbon composites, which have a very high heat tolerance. In 1860, Joseph Swan produced carbon fiber for the first time for use in light bulbs. In 1879, Thomas Edison baked cotton threads or bamboo slivers at high temperatures, carbonizing them into an all-carbon fiber filament used in one of the first incandescent light bulbs to be heated by electricity. In 1880, Lewis Latimer developed a reliable carbon wire filament for the incandescent light bulb heated by electricity. In 1958, Roger Bacon created high-performance carbon fibers at the Union Carbide Pharma Technical Centre located outside heating strands of rayon until they carbonized. This process proved to be inefficient as the resulting fibers contained only about 20 carbon. In the early 1960s, a process was developed by Dr. Akio Shindo at Agency of Industrial Science and Technology of Japan using polyacrylonitrile and as raw material. This had produced a carbon fiber.